SERV stock, super interesting. Wednesday and nowhere easy to buy. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I mean, you probably see the upside line here, you know, the line pointing towards the upside. I mean, I probably gives it out, but I'm really looking forward to taking it even higher. And the way that I would approach this market with SERV Robotics is it needs to give me that double break that I'm always talking about. That the rules need to be met, you know. I can't stress enough how much price showing you bullish momentum matters. It really does matter. And for me to really take it even higher, it really needs to pull down, give me a double break, and then I'll take it higher. Bro, anything else other than that would just pretty much be noise, and I wouldn't be interested in this market and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna wait. If you want to learn the strategy for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and like there's like really nothing else that I would add. The Y curve accumulation is what I'm pretty much waiting for, but I'm gonna be patient and I'll try and force stuff here. So